Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 28th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 6189. And before I start, I always count and print the digits. This one has 21. Well, 21 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, or in a, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Between those comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. There's always. Oh, wait. We have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well, now. I know between the 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first, we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, so that box will be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Overlooked. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Completed in 3 minutes. Wow. Without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of the day. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.